What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get ODECK'S Protector Plate Gloves in Crimson Desert. Before you proceed, you'll need the Focused Force Palm ability, which only unlocks around Chapter 4 of the main quest. The shiny plate gloves give Cliff 18 points in attack and 3 points in defense. Aside from those, it's got Abyss gears that provide 0.2 health per second and a 2% multiplier for climb speed. Its location is just to the southwest of the town of Hernand on a place called the Perwin Quarry, which is within Bleed Bandit territory. Above the quarry is the exact location by the waypoint. You've got two choices: clear the quarry or just sneak your way to the X mark. I'm the sneaky type, so I just slipped my way here without fighting anyone. When we get here, you'll find this prismatic rock blocking the cave entrance. Now approach it and press X to focus, and hold middle mouse to charge up a focus force palm. Point this leaf-like cursor into the gold orb that appears, and release. Don't forget to seal the abyss cell and loot the chest inside. You'll then get the plate gloves. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.